Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Twitter if you've exceeded the limit. First of all, open your phone settings and scroll down to Apps. Select App Management and search Twitter. Tap on Manage Notifications. Go back and tap on Permissions. Select Camera and tap on Allow only while using the app. Select Contacts and tap on Allow access for this app. Select Files and Media and tap on Allow access to media only. Now select Location and allow its access as well. Now go back and click on Open by default. Turn on the Open Supported Links. Now open Storage and click on Clear Cache. That's how you can fix Twitter if you have exceeded the limit. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.